Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So I got this option in LAZR. It's deep in the money, and I've already waited too long to roll this. So I'm going to go ahead a couple weeks to the monthly expiration and see if I can roll it. I didn't have any success yesterday, but maybe today I'll have better success. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it's already dropped significantly. So let's go with 0.15. Alright, because nobody wants to buy this option. It's so deep in the money, not liquid, and the price keeps changing on me. So that's not a good sign. Well, I'm right at the mid. I might just have to take the stock on this one too and just wait it out. I do like the company. They've got some good products, good technology. So yeah, just keep chasing it. Alright, looks like this one is yet again another total fail. I'm not going to go any lower than this because I still want a credit. I'm not going to roll it for a debit. I could potentially go out further, but it's so deep in the money, it's not going to matter. So, moral of the story, don't wait to the last day of expiration for things that are deep in the money, because you're going to have a real problem getting that order filled. So, if you have deep in the money options, roll it earlier. Probably a couple, 1 to 2 weeks out is probably decent for deep in the money. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Alright, well, thanks for watching.